Hi children, today we are going to see about the exponents. For this exponents we have 4 formulas. Okay, let me see the first. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. That means if the bases are same, we have to add the powers. Okay, and then a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. If the bases are same in division, we have to subtract the powers. Okay. The next one, a power m whole power n equal to, this is nothing but multiplication. So a power m into n, that is a power mn. The next one is a power 0, that means anything power 0 equal to 1. Okay. Based on these 4 formulas, we are going to do the exercise. Okay. Exercise 1.6. Look at the third problem. Here 1 by 2 power 3. We want to find the value of this 1 by 2 whole power 3. So which is equal to, I can cube numerator and the denominator. So that 1 cube is 1 and 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8. So the value is 1 by 8. As usual, I want to multiply this. Look at the second one. 1 by 2 whole power minus 3. Here this is minus 3, isn't it? So I can change this 1 by 2 as 2 power 3. When I change the fraction as 2, I have to change the symbol also here. So if it is minus, change plus. Okay. So 2 cube. 2 cube equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Okay. Look at the next problem. Here minus 5 by 6 whole power minus 3. I told already, if it has minus power, we can take the reciprocal of the bracket. That means 6 by minus 5 whole power. I have to change the symbol as plus 3. And then I have to cube the numerator and cube the denominator also. So that I can have 6 cube is 6 into 6 into 6. That is 216 divided by, here minus cube is minus, 5 cube is 125. Okay. Next problem. Here 2 power minus 5 into 2 power 7 divided by 2 power minus 2. Here the bases are same. Okay. Here only one number is given, so I just simplify. Here also only one fraction is given, so I simplified that. Here I have the 3 numbers are there, so but the bases are same. So I am going to use the formula which we learnt already. That means a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. If the bases are same in multiplication, add the powers. Okay. Here bases are same in multiplication, so I want to add the powers. So 2 power minus 5 plus 7 divided by 2 power minus 2. Minus 5 plus 7 is nothing but 2 power plus 2 divided by 2 power minus 2. Okay. When it is in division, you have to subtract the power. Okay. So I want to subtract here. So 2 power 2 minus of this minus 2. That means 2 minus of minus 2 is 2 plus 2, that is 4. So I can write the value as 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times I have to multiply, that is 16. Answer is 16. Okay. And then 2 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 2. Here there is no, the bases are not same. So as usual I want to simplify. The 2 inverse is nothing but 1 by 2 power 1. Okay. If I change this as plus, I have to take the reciprocal of this, that is 1 by 2 power 1 into, here also 1 by 3 power, change the symbol as 1 plus 1 divided by, here also 1 by 6 square. I took this 1 by 2, 1 by 6 like this and 2 for this part. So what I can do here, this 1 by 2 whole power 1 is nothing but 1 by 2. This 1 by 3 whole power 1 is nothing but 1 by 3. So straight away I can multiply these two, that will be 1 by 6. Okay. So it will be 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 6 square. 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 6 square. Okay. If I multiply this 6 square as 6 into 6, I can, here it is division. Okay. So what we can do there, take the reciprocal of this ordinary division there. So 1 by 6 into 6 square by 1. So I can cancel here, so that I got the answer is as 6 only. Okay. So we have to use that exponential formulas. Fourth problem. 2 by 5 power 4 into 5 by 2 power 2. Okay. So I want to write this power as 2 by 5 whole power 4 into, I can take this as 2 by 5. I can change this 2 by 5. When I change this, I have to change the symbol for the power. Isn't it? So when I take the reciprocal of this, I have to change the symbol. So here see that the bases are same. So I want to write this 2 by 5. If the bases are same in multiplication, we have to add the powers. So I can have 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2 by 5 whole power 2. Squaring on numerator and the denominator, I can have 4 by 5 square is 25. Okay. Look at the next problem. Here 4 by 5 whole power minus 2 and 4 by 5 whole power minus 3. The bases are same here. So it is in division. When it is in division, if the bases are same, we have to subtract the power. So take the bases as it is 4 by 5 and we have to subtract the power minus 2 minus of this minus 3. Here already minus 3 is the given. So take as it is that minus 3. So it is equal to 4 by 5 whole power minus 2 minus into minus plus 3. So minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So which is equal to 4 by 5 whole power 1. It's nothing but 4 by 5. That's all. Okay. Look at the next problem. Here 2 by 7 into, here I have minus 3. So I can take the reciprocal. So which is equal to 2 power. When you take the reciprocal, here I can change the sign. So now the bases are same in multiplication. So we have to use the first rule, which is equal to 2 power 7 plus 3 is equal to 2 power 10. So we have to multiply 10 times. So automatically we will get the answer. Okay. Fifth problem. 5 power 0 plus 6 power minus 1 into 3 square. We have that 5 power 0. I told you anything power 0 is 1. Isn't it? So here 5 power 0 is there. So straight away we can write the answer as 1 plus, here minus 1 is there in the power. If I want to take that minus symbol, we can take the reciprocal of the given numbers. Isn't it? So take the reciprocal of this number 1 by 6 power 1. Okay. Into 3 power 2. Keep as it is. And then here 1 by 6 power 1 is nothing but simply 1 by 6. Isn't it? So I can write this as 1 by 1 plus 6 into 3 square. Here 1 plus 1 by 6 I can take the LCM and simplify that. So if you cross multiply 1 6 are 6 plus 1 7 So 7 by 6 into 3 square means 9. I can cancel by 3 table here 3 times, here 2 times. So that the answer will be 7 3s are 21 by 2. So the answer is 21 by 2. Look at the next problem. Here 2 power minus 1, I can write this as 1 by 2 the whole power 1. So no need to write power 1. Keep as it is. Here 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 6. This 1 and all no need to write there. Okay. So I want to take LCM here because it is in plus symbol. So take LCM. So here LCM is 6. Cross multiply that 3 plus 2, that is 5 divided by 1 by 6. So I can write this as 5 by 6 into 6 by 1. So I can cancel these two, that is equal to 5. So the answer is 5. Okay. Look at the next problem. Here 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 2 plus 5 power minus 3 whole power 0. I told you a power 0 equal to 1. Here the whole thing power 1. So anything power 0 it will be 1 only. So straight away we can write the answer as 1. No need to simplify anything and learn in the bracket because the whole power 0. So which is equal to 1. Okay. And the sum. Solve for x. That means we want to find the value of x here. 2 power 2x minus 1 divided by 2 power x plus 2 equal to 4. Okay. Here the base is 2 and here also the base is 2. So I can, this is in division form. When it is in division we have to subtract the power. Isn't it? So we are going to use the second one. So which is equal to, I want to write like this, 2 power 2x minus 1 into 2 power, I can subtract the power, isn't it? So subtract the power is x plus 2 equal to, even I can write this 4 as 2 square because here the base is 2. I want to write this base is also in 2. So 2 power 2x minus 1 minus of x plus 2. I can convert this, simplify this bracket. So how? 2 power 2x minus 1 minus x minus 2 equal to 2 power 2. I can group this 2x minus x is nothing but x. So 2 power x, this minus 1 and minus 2 can be written as minus 3 equal to 2 power 2. Okay. So I can, if the bases are equal, I can equate the powers. So x minus 3 equal to 2. So x equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So the 5 is the answer here. Okay. Look at the next problem. 5 power 5 into 5 power minus 4 into 5 power x divided by 5 power 12 equal to 5 power minus 5. All the bases are same. Okay. So in the numerator it is multiplicative form, so I can add the powers. From the denominator I can take this to the numerator as minus. By this second rule, the first rule is using in the numerator. We are using the first rule in numerator. So I can write this as 5 power 5 minus 4 plus x, and I want to take this 12 to the numerator. So minus 12 equal to 5 power minus 5. Here I want to find the value of x, isn't it? So it is the like term. So keep as it is. I can subtract these two. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 12 is minus 11 equal to 5 power minus 5. If the bases are same, I can equate the numerator. So I can write this as x minus 11 equal to minus 5. So x equal to minus 5 plus 11. Therefore x equal to 6. So 6 is the answer here. Okay. Eighth problem. Expand the exponents. Here 6054.5 321. Here we have two parts there. The decimal number we have two parts. Okay. So before that decimal we have to write as usual that number place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. It goes on. After the decimal we have to write in the decreasing form. I will tell you how to write this. See that here 6 into how many digits are there? After 6 we have 3 digits. So we should write 6 into 10 power 3 plus here 0 is there. Okay. So no need to write 0, but this is the first problem, so I want to write here. So 0 into 10 power, after 0 how many digits we have? 2. So 10 power 2 plus this 5 into 10 power, after 5 we have only one digit, so write 1 plus 4 into 10 power 0. The 10 power 0 is nothing but 1, isn't it? So we know that, so no need to write 10 power 0. So simply we can write 1 here. And then plus, here I have 3. So this 3 into 10 power, here I wrote like this decreasing form 3, 2, 1 like this, isn't it? Even here 0, and after that I want to write minus 1. And then again for this 2 into 10 power minus 2, and then again for this 1 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, so just I want to write the powers into decreasing form. Okay, look at the next problem here. Here 8 into 10 power, after 8 I have 2 digits, so put 2 plus 9 into 10 power 1 plus 7 into 1. 10 power 0 is nothing but 1. So plus this 1 into 10 power minus 1 plus for this 4 into 10 power minus 2. Okay, just I want to write this in the decreasing form as in the number lines. That's all. Ninth problem. Look at here. Write the standard form for the expansions. We want to write the standard form. That is, we want to write the number from this expansion. See here, 8 into 10 power 4 plus 7 into 10 power 3 plus 6 into 10 power 2 plus 5 into 10 power 1 plus 2 into 10 power minus 1 plus 4 into 10 power minus 2 plus 7 into 10 power minus 4. Look at the powers of the 10. So 4, 3, 2, 1. Isn't it? And then minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3 is missing there. And then minus 4 is there. So first we want to check the powers, whether it is in the proper decreasing order. Okay. If it is not in the order, we want to see which one is missing. Instead of that, I want to put 0. Okay. Let me see the problem. See here 10 power 4 and then 10 power 3. So 10 power 4 is 8 is the first number. Put 8 here. And then 10 power 3 is there. Put 7 here. And then 2 is there. 6, and then after 2 we have 1, so put 5, and then here it starts from minus 1, so we want to put the decimal point there. After the decimal only we will write minus parts. Okay, so here I want to write 2, and then for this minus 2 part you can write 4, and then minus 3 is missing, so put 0, and then for this you want to write this one. So this is the answer for this. Okay. Now look at the next one. Here 3. After that 2 is missing, and then 1 is here. Minus 1 is here, and minus 2 is missing here. So whether it is missing, if it is missing, we have to put 0 in that place. That's all. Okay. See that for this I want to write the answer like this. Here 5, and then 2 is not there, so put 0, and then this 5, and then 10 power. And then we want to put the decimal point. After this minus 1 is there, so put this 5 here, and then minus 2 is missing, so put 0, and then here we want to write 5. So the answer is 505.505. Okay. Look at the next sum. The radius of the hydrogen atom is 2.5 into 10 power minus 11. Okay, 2.5 into 10 power minus 11. We want to write in the like this number. Okay. Here minus symbol is there. If it is minus, this number 2.5 must be after the decimal point. Okay. See there how to write this. So in that 11th digit only this number 2 will start there. The 11th digit only the number 2 will start. So what we have to write this 0 point. We have to put 10 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 zeros. After that only I want to write this 2 and then 5. So for this is the expansion. Okay. Here minus 11 is there. So I have to write this 2 in the place of 11. So 0 point. After the decimal only we have to count that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then in the 11th place we have to put 2 here. Okay. So what are the numbers given? You have to write straight away there. Okay. 10th problem. Write in the scientific notation. Write in the scientific notation. Look at the problem. Here it's given 4, 6, 7, 8, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So I want to write, first I want to take the numbers alone. Okay. So whatever it is, I want to take the first 2 digits like this. 4.678. First take the numbers alone, but you have to write after 1 digit you have to put the decimal point. So 4.678 into 10 power, just see how many digits are given there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 digits are there. Already we put after 1 digit the decimal point there. So I want to write here 11. Totally 12 digits are given, but already in that number after the 1 digit I put the point there. So here I have to write 10 power 11. Okay. Look at the next problem here. Here after the decimal only we have the numbers there. Here also I want to take only these numbers like this. 1.972 into, here in which digit it starts there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th digit. Okay. So you have to write 10 power minus 6 there, because after the decimal only the points are there. Here there is no decimal at all. So I want to write like this. Okay. Look at the next problem. Here decimal is given, but I want to write like this. So keep the decimal here. That means 1.643. Again this 398. Don't put the decimal here because that decimal only came here. So after how many digits I moved the decimal point? 1, 2, 3. So I want to write 10 power 3 there. Okay. And then look at the next problem. The fourth sum here in the book it's given. Earth volume is at most 1083,000,000,000,000 cubic kilometer. Okay. After that we have the whole number. There is no decimal at all. So I want to write this. How many digits? First you have to count the digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 digits are given. Okay. So I want to take the first numbers alone. So it always. So you have to write like this. Is equal to 1.083 into 10 power. How many digits we counted there? Here already we have 12 digits. Is it 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 digits we have there. So after 1 digit we already have the point. So whole power 12 there. Okay. The next problem is there. If you fill a bucket with dirt, the portion of the whole earth, that is the bucket, will be 0.00000, like the 23 zeros are there, and then 16. Okay, that can be written as, so after the 24th place only the number starts. So I can write the first problem answer as 1.6 into 10 power minus 24, because in that 24th place only the number 1 starts there. So I want to write the answer as 1.6 whole power 24 10 power minus 24. Okay.